I don't know who it was that sang "Don't sit under the apple tree with anybody else but me," but we are here, in fact, under the apple tree with rather small apples, but to be fair, it is the middle of July. And again, lots of garden interest here, different plants amid the lovely hostas. If I was to make a guess, maybe 1,800 hostas planted out in total, and all looking pretty good. We have some failures, some that don't do so well, and we try and identify those and don't tend to plant them again. But again, lots of lovely colour here, real interest that marry very well with the green leaves of the hostas. You see, there's one that's just a bit tired. It's probably had a bit too much sun. We're not perfect, and would you believe we've even got a slug hole in that one? And dear me, you just can't get the staff, you know.